Hi guys, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to see about dictionary. Dictionary is a collection data type in Python. Now this allows us to work with key value pairs. When I say key value pairs, these are two linked values where the key is a unique identifier which identifies the value, that is the data. Let's go ahead and see an example on how to work with dictionary. If I want to get information about an employee, let me create a variable called as employee and assign it to braces. Now that becomes a dictionary. Inside that, let me give some key value pairs separated by a colon. Now here, name is the key and Samuel is the value, right? So now this key value pair is separated with the help of colon. Now if I want to give one more key value pair, let me separate it with the help of a comma and then say age colon and let's say 17 comma, I'll say salary and let me give a float value for salary. Now you can see I've given a string for name, integer for age and float for salary. Now let me try to print this information with the help of the print method and run this code. It prints all the information about the employee. Now if I want to print only a particular information about an employee, I can better use a bracket to get the information. Now if I want to print the name of an employee, let me give the key name inside the bracket. Now this key will go and fetch the value which is associated with the key. Now let me run this code and it will print the value Samuel. Now if I want to print the salary, let me use the key Samuel and try to execute it. So it will print the value which is associated with the key Samuel. Now if at all I am trying to print a key which is not available in my dictionary, right? The key location is not there at all in the dictionary. Now when I run this code, this will throw me an error saying that there is no key called this location inside my dictionary. Now if at all you feel that you don't want to get an error, better you can go for the method called as get. So when I use the get method, this will help me in providing the information if the key is present, and if the key is not present, it provides me a none instead of throwing me an error. Now we can go ahead and give more information here. I can say no, I can say key not found. When I do this, when I run this code, the location key is not available in the dictionary, so that it provides this information key not found. Let me run this code. You can see key not found. So I can say it is better to go with get method instead of going with brackets. Now if I want to print name and then let me run this code, if the key name is present, it will print the value. If the key name is not there, it will say key not found. Now if I want to add an extra information to an already existing dictionary, for example, if I want to add information about a department, so let me say employee within brackets department and training. Now this department becomes the key and training becomes a value. Now this becomes a key value pair and will get stored inside the employee. Now let me run this code. We can see that department and training, a key value pair which is getting added to my employee dictionary. If I want to delete a record from a dictionary, I'll be using a method called as pop and I'll be passing the key which I want to delete. When I do this, it will delete the department record from the employee dictionary. Now this pop method deletes it and returns the value which it is deleted. Now so that I'll be using a print statement to record that. Now let me execute this code and you can see that training is removed from the employee dictionary. This is the work of pop method. Pop method pops a particular record from the dictionary. Now, apart from this, we have few other methods. Let us see the use of those. Now, if I want to find all the keys that are available in my dictionary, for that I'll be using a method called as keys. When I execute this, I can find it displays all the keys. And if I want to find all the values, I'll be using a method called as values so that it displays all the values that are present inside my dictionary. And if I want to find everything, or that is the key value pair, I'll be using the method called as items, which provides you a key value pair and prints the details for you. If I want to add or update my record into my employee dictionary, I can do like this: employee. If I want to update my name, I can just say name, assign. I'll change my or update my name to Edison. And if I want to add a new record, let me say phone number, and I can add like this 994041234 right? And then let me say print employee, and let me run this code. You can see that my data is getting updated, like phone number, department, age, and name is changed to Edison. Now, instead of doing it separately one by one, I can use a method called as update. This update method takes a dictionary as argument. Now I can say name Edison, and then I've added a new record, that is phone number, to 994041234 and now let me remove this. Let's say print employee. Let me run this code. You can see the same thing. The name is getting updated. Name before it was Samuel is getting updated to Edison, and the phone number field, it is added newly, right? This update method helps me in avoiding the number of lines, like number of statements that I can give. I can just give it in the update method as a dictionary. And if you feel this is too tedious as well, like you can pull this out and create a new dictionary, and then say like this: if I want to update my age, let me say age 27, and then say update my dict. So I can either give the entire dictionary values here, or I can just give the dictionary object here. Now let me run this code. Still it provides the same thing. There is no change in that. Can you see that? Yeah, I can either give it here directly, or I can put it inside a dictionary and update it later. Now we have one more method called as clear. I'll say employee dot clear, and then say print employee, and let me run this code. You can see it's printing an empty dictionary. Yes. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any queries in this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. And do subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I update some new videos. Thank you very much, guys.